What's up, YouTube? How everybody doing today? And in this video, as you can see from the title and thumbnail, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you can create a nice little clean thumbnail for your YouTube video. Now, one thing I do want to tell you guys is, before we get this video started, please make sure to drop a like on this video, man, and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell so you're notified when I upload. Now, without further ado, guys, let's get into this video. So now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna need two apps. The two apps you're gonna need, it's one called PixArt and Fonto. That's all you're gonna need, guys. So now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go into Google and you're gonna want to search up Fortnite backgrounds. Now you go through the images and you just select a background that you want. That's if you're doing Fortnite background, for example, like Fortnite. So what you're gonna want to do is we're gonna pick a better background than that. What background should we go with? Help me out here. Oh, we're gonna go with this background right here, guys. So what you're gonna do, we're gonna hold the image and then you wanna click on save image. Now you wanna go and type in Fortnite skins PNG, guys. You want to search up Fortnite skin PNG. I want this one. So you're gonna hold it. You're gonna hold the image and then you're gonna save it. So then now what you're gonna want to do, guys, is you wanna go into PixArt app. You want to open the application up and then you want to click on this plus right here. So then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add the image background that you just selected. Then you want to click on effects so you can make it more a little blurrier, you know, make it look nice, like more cleaner type thumbnail, you know. You can make it look darker, but I'm going to make it look like a little bit like that. So then now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to apply there. You're going to add an image. Then you're going to select the skin that you just had. So we're going to put the skin up. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put the skin on this side. And we're going to make the skin big enough so it can fit perfectly. So then now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pick. We're going to go with the pink one. We're going to make it a little smaller. I'll make this a little bit better than that. I'll make this a little bigger. As you can see, it's right there. So then now we're gonna get the other pink one, make it a little smaller. And then we're gonna, that should be perfect. Bam. So you see how it's looking already, guys. As you can already see, it's looking like a nice little clean thumbnail. Now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to save this image, guys. So you want to click on apply and click on next. Then you're gonna want to click on save. So you're gonna save the image. Once you save the image, it's gonna save into your photos. So then now you want to open up Fonto. So once you open up Fonto, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on that camera icon at the bottom. Then you're going to want to click on photo albums. Once you click on photo albums, you would then click on recent added. So then once you click that, you're going to click on the thumbnail that you just created on that app, PixArt. Then from there, you're going to want to click on done. Now, as you can see, guys, we have our thumbnail right here. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add your text to it. So, we're just gonna name it we're just gonna change this and mess with the font real quick so we can show y'all a little something right here. Now I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not that good at doing thumbnails and all that. Like, I'm still getting used to it, but I should be there, you know. I should learn pretty soon how to create a nice thumbnail, you know. What font should we use? Should I use this one? No, that's like too plain. I'm looking for like something better. We're just gonna go with that. And then we're gonna go Fortnite, right? You're gonna want to put the size a little smaller so that way it could fit perfectly on there. So you're gonna want to change the size a little bit smaller. That's perfect. Now you're gonna want to put the style. Now for the style, you can mess with this however you want. You can mess with it however you want. Now since the background is blue, like purplish and bluish, we're just gonna create a pattern, guys. And what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna go and select pattern. We're gonna go put pink, and then I'm gonna add a purple to it, and then we're gonna see how that color is gonna look. Now as you can see right there, all you gotta do is now you just mess with them and see which one you like better, how it's looking. That's kind of nice right there. That's kind of perfect. So now guys, as you can see, now what you're gonna want to do is you want to leave it like that. So then now you want to put it a little lower though. You don't want to have it too high up there. So then now you add your other text, Fortnite. Then you're gonna want to size this up and make it perfectly so it could fit. So it could fit perfectly on there. See, so as you can see, it fits perfect. And like I said, guys, most people, they like to put their names, like their thumbnail names, too close to each other. You don't want to do that, man, because it just going, I don't know, to me it don't look right. I don't know about you guys. But the same thing with here. Create color pattern, pink and purple. You click on horizontal and put it horizontal. So then now what you're going to want to do is same thing. You can adjust it, make it, see how you want it to fit. See how you want it to fit. So we're going to leave it like that. So now you got Fortnite thumbnail. See? Fortnite thumbnail. Tutorial. So then it's simple, guys. So then you want to size it up just like that. You want to size it up. So all you gotta do, guys, and then you want to click the style again, and then you just want to create color pattern. Same thing as you did with the last one. You pink, and then you put it the purple color, and you select the horizontal, and then you just kind of mess with it a little bit to see which one fits better. That's perfect right there. And then you got your Fortnite thumbnail tutorial, right? And then what you're going to do is you're going to want to add items. So when you add item, you pick these items right here. So then you're going to want to size the item up and make the item nice, like smaller. Like right there. Make the item like right there. And then you're going to want to grab this item and tilt it. You're going to want to tilt it right there. So then you see the line how it's popping out right there. So then what you're going to do is you just want to add the other item. Then you want to, no color. We're just going to want to size it up back to like that. Alright. And then we tilt it. Now we're going to tilt it this way. Because we're going to put this one right here. Perfect. So like I was saying, now you're going to go and you're going to do that all over again. Add an item. Select the item. And then you're going to want to make it small. Not too small, but perfect so you can see it. That's perfect. Now you're going to want to tilt this one straight up. Tilt this one straight up. Now what you're going to want to do here is you're going to want to grab the image and you're going to want to not put it too much up, but at least right there where you can see it. And you just keep on doing that, guys. You size it, make it smaller, make it a little longer. As you can see, it's simple, guys. It's very simple. Not many people like create nice thumbnails, and you know, I'm just here to help. So if you guys enjoy this, man, make sure to drop a like. Now with this one, we're gonna fade it like if it's behind the lettering. You get what I'm saying? So now we're gonna do the same thing with this one. Oh, why am I tilted it for though? I'm gonna size it up, make it a little skinnier, longer, right there. Then this one, we're gonna tilt it straight down. Make sure they all lined up together, because you don't want to, you know, and then you just grab your other one. Why am I doing a circle for? Whoa. Damn, guys, I'm messing up already. Ain't that something? Remove that. I don't want the circle. So you're going to select the item again. Then you're going to size it up. Make it skinnier, longer. Then tilt it. We're going to tilt it there. As you can see, guys, you got your nice little thumbnail. So now you're going to want to save image. Now, if you want to make the thumbnail like a bit more make it look a bit more better, guys, all you have to do is just go back here to PixArt, and then you got your thumbnail that you just did right here. So then now you can go on effects, and now you can blur it out however you want. See what I mean? So now you got yourself a nice little thumbnail, you know. And there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Also hit that bell notification so you're notified when I upload. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.